What are you doing trying to roll over? You can't roll over yet. What are you doing? What are you doing with those legs? You're supposed to be practicing getting your head up, silly. Aiden. Aiden. What are you doing, big boy? There comes a head. There comes a head. Get it up. Get it up. You cannot crawl. What are you doing with your legs? Where are you going? Where are you going? You can't crawl. What? What, Fuzzy?